Now we will discuss about the common mode operation of the differential amplifier. A differential amplifier provides large amplification of the different signal applied to both the input, and it should also provide the small amplification for a signal which is common to both the input. This figure shows the common mode connection. This is the AC equivalent diagram of the common mode connection. See here, same input is applied to both the input, that is common mode. So that means the AC equivalent diagram also you see the same manner you have to draw it. Same input is applied to both the inputs. Same input is applied to both the terminals. So it is common mode connection. Now here want to derive first again here also the common gain. Gain is, this is common mode connection. The gain I will say as common mode gain AC. Previous case it was the differential mode gain AD, because dual input case we have taken the difference between the two input signals. So it is differential gain AD. Now we will discuss here about the common mode gain AC. So we will derive the expression for common mode gain now. So from the AC equivalent circuit we have to derive the expression for common mode gain. So first we should get the IB. So we have to apply the KVL over the base to emitter loop of this transistor. So just apply the KVL. So this is the path we are taking. The current is IB. I'll just rewrite again. The current is IB. Now, so writing the KVL equation over this loop, again current is coming in this direction. So this will be the plus, and this will be the minus. Coming in this direction, this is plus, this is minus. See, this current is beta plus 1 IB. That means it is this is the emitter part. IE is equal to beta plus 1 into IB. You know the expression. I think that you have very much familiar with this expression. IE we can write as beta plus 1 times IB. IE is equal to beta plus 1 times IB. So this is beta plus 1 IB. Both coming together here 2 times beta plus 1 IB. Now write the KVL equation for this. See, this is the loop. So the input voltage is VI. Now plus to minus RI multiplied by IB comes here. Again plus to minus 2 IB plus 1, 2 beta plus 1 IB multiplied by RE should be equal to 0. Readjust the equation for getting IB. Readjust the equation for getting IB. So IB is equal to VI by 2 into beta plus 1 RE plus RI. Now write the expression for output. See, the same like previous case, output is equal to IC multiplied by RC. Now IC, we know the IC. What is IC? IC is beta times IB. See, this is nothing but IC. IC is beta times IB. Now write the expression for IB from this. Substitute the expression for IB this to here. So we get it this one. Now so this is your V output. So what is the voltage gain? Voltage gain is equal to VO divided by VI. So voltage gain is VO by VI. So you are getting this as this. So this is not the voltage gain, this common mode voltage gain. So I just rewrite here as this is the common voltage gain. So it is, I am representing this by AC. So just I am rewriting it to AC. This is AC. AC. So the common mode gain AC is equal to beta RC by 2 into beta plus 1 RD plus RI. So this is the equation for common mode gain.